the hardest thing to figure out when you're doing GCF and LCM word problems is whether or not to use the GCF or the LCM. So I'm going to do one of each for you to hopefully make it a little bit easier for you to complete word problems on your own. Sheila has 28 Skittle bags and 36 Hershey bars. If she wants to make goodie bags with an equal amount of Skittles in each bag and an equal amount of Hershey bars in each bag, what is the greatest number of bags she can make? How many Skittles will be in each bag? How many Hershey bars will be in each bag? So a hint to you, whenever you have numbers that you want to split up or divide evenly, okay, you are going to use the come on, pen, you can do it. You are going to use the GCF. Sorry about my pen mishap. Okay, and you're also going to label all of your work from word problems. This is Skittles, this is Hershey bars. Both 28 and 36 are divisible by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14, 36 divided by 2 is 18. 14 and 18 are both divisible by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7, 18 divided by 2 is 9. I know I'm done because 7 and 9 only have one common factor, and it's 1. So GCF, since this looks like an upside down F, okay, I know that to calculate the greatest common factor, I use the factors on the side multiplied together. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is the greatest amount of goodie bags that Sheila can make. Okay? Now the question goes on to ask you how many Skittles are in each bag, how many Hershey bars are in each bag. So I look at my Skittles, it's 28. 28 divided by my 4 goodie bags is 7. So 7 Skittles are going to go in each bag, which if you evaluate your ladder, 7 is at the bottom. So let me check the same thing here. 36 Hershey bars, 36 divided by 4 goodie bags is 9. And if you look at your ladder, it's right there too. If the ladder arrows confuse you, just remember that for GCF, you just have to take these two numbers and divide them by your GCF, okay? That's a good backup plan, okay? Now, let's go to this question. Train A makes its stops every 45 minutes. Train B makes its stops every 60 minutes. How many minutes will pass before the two trains meet? When things meet or have to match, you have to use the LCM, okay, because it lines things up, okay? In this time, how many loops will train A make? How many loops will train B make? So 45 and 60 are both divisible by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 9 and 12 are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 and 4 only have a common factor of 1, so I know I'm done. And when you're finding the LCM, you circle the L, the bottom factors, and your end of the ladder, okay? 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 3 is 45, and 45 times 4 is 180. These trains are going to meet in 180 minutes, okay, which ends up being 3 hours. Now, it wants to know how many loops train A can make in that time. Well, you take 180 and you divide it by 45. It's 4 loops. And if you look at your ladder, 4 is across from 45, okay? So with LCM, you're going to look across. GCF is down, LCM is across. How many loops can train B make in 180 minutes? Well, 180 divided by 60 is 3. And if you look at your ladder, 3 is across from 60. So I hope that you watch this video and it helps you with any educating that you'll do on GCF and LCM word problems. Good luck!